When you're walking down the aisle and you see somebody wearing a beekeeper suit, you know you got to stop and find out what they're doing. I'm here with Pascal Brunner from Lifehive.
Yes, hello. We have developed a solution for beekeepers, and we help them to control a parasite called varroa mite, which is the most deadly parasite. And we do this by applying heat instead of chemicals.
Okay, I don't know anything about beekeeping. You have something that looks kind of a honeycomb and it's in a wood case, and I know nothing else.
Yeah, exactly. So inside of this frame, we have a heating element embedded right in the foundation, and we heat up for 3 hours to 42 degrees centigrade, which is 108 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is like an in-floor heating for the bee brood, which kills the mites while the bees survive.
So is this fake honeycomb, and you don't put honeycomb in here?
No, this is you put this one into your hives. This is how beekeepers work.
Okay, so yeah, like I said, I know nothing about beekeeping. I've seen people like pull hives out and rescue the bees, that kind of a thing, but I haven't seen.
Do the bees build wax on top of it?
Yes.
The bees build wax on that.
Yeah, exactly. The bees, they build up their cells right on top of here, and then they breed their baby bees in those cells. So this is how beekeeping is done at the moment industrially as well.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So why is it not naturally that they live in heated environments? You would think that if heat helps kill those parasites, it has no other side effects to the bees?
No, there are no side effects. I mean, the bees, they control the hive climate very strictly. So normally it's always like at 35 to 35.5 degrees. So they keep it very narrow. And they regulate it, so if it's too cold, they warm it up. If it's too hot, they start ventilating.
The beekeepers do?
No, the bees.
The bees themselves?
The bees themselves.
They control the temperature?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Wow.
But with our treatments, we do a short-term treatment to 42 degrees centigrade, just on that frame, which helps killing this parasite while keeping the bees alive.
Wow, and they're okay with that little bit hotter temperature?
Yeah, they are absolutely fine with that.
That's fascinating. So how do you sell this product?
We're selling this to beekeepers, and we're launching on Kickstarter by the end of February 25.
Very good. And if people want to learn more about Lifehive, where would they go?
To lifehive.io.
Lifehive.io. And do you know, Steve wants to know how this is powered.
It's all solar powered, so we have a battery and a solar panel per hive, so that they can work on remote areas or in somewhere out in the fields where you don't have grid access.
Very good. This is really cool. I don't know anything about what this should cost, but do you have an idea of a price point?
Yeah, MSRP will be $799, and with the Kickstarter campaign, you can get it at 30% discounted at $549.
So do you buy a hive, or not just this one piece?
The full hive, including solar and battery, is all together, sold as one kit.
Oh, that's way better than just this one piece then. Now I get it.
yeah, exactly. You got it.
All right, thank you very much. This was really interesting. Thank you, Pascal.
All right, thank you, likewise.